Hi guys, I am Crypto Dragon. Today my project is Gate will add 9 support trading pairs including Bitcoin, USD1 and Ethereum USDT. You can see that to enrich trading options and enhance user experience, Gate will add a new USD1 trading zone to the support trading market at 6 a.m. UTC on July 22, 2025 and launch the following USD1 trading pairs. You can see that Bitcoin to USD1 trading pair link is given. You can see that Bitcoin vs USD1, the market price of Bitcoin is 1,15,895 USDT, and if we compare the USD with the USDT, here you can see that the market price of USD1 is 1.0019, and you can see that in 24 hours the market price of USD1 has increased. And you can see that 0.0014 for market price, 1 for USDT, the market price of USD1 has increased. And in percentage, you can see that 0.13% has increased. You can see that in 24 hours, or the highest market price of USD1 is 1 USDT, and the lowest market price is also 1 USDT. And you can see that in 24 hours, or about 9.23 million USDT one has traded, and in 24 hours, the 9.23 million USDT has traded. And here you can see that these are the demands of sellers and these are the demands of buyers. You can see that when the demands of sellers and buyers match, the dealing has done between them. Here you can see that the percentage of buyers and sellers given. When the percentage of buyers is more than the percentage of sellers, it means that the market price of Bitcoin will increase, market price of USD1 will increase. And when you see that the percentage of seller is more than the percentage of buyer, it means that the market price of USD1 will decrease, and it's the best time to sell the USD1. No, the market price of USD1 is increasing. And other you compare the USD current market price with the highest market price and lowest market price. And when you see that the current market price is touching the highest market price, it's the best time to sell the USD1. It's because after touching the highest market price of USD1 will decrease. And when you see that the market price of USD1 is touching the lowest market price, it means that the market price of USD will decrease, and it's the best time to sell the USD1. And if you want to buy the USD1, then click on buy. Here you can see the current market price of USD1. You can see that the current market price of USD1 is 1.0019 USDT. You can enter the amount in USD1 or you can enter the amount in USDT. After entering the amount, click on buy USD1. And here you can see the trading view chart of USD1. You can see that the market price of USD1 remains almost same, and now the market price of USD1 has increased, and you can see that. And in info you can see that the ranking of USD1 is 56, the market cap is 2.16 billion USDT, the circulating supply is 2.15 billion USD1, the release date is 11/4/2025, the all-time highest market price of USD1 is 5,000 USDT, and USDT on 2 June 2025. And you can see that the all-time lowest market price is 0.9663 on 27 June 2025. The fully diluted market cap is 2.16 billion USDT. The total supply is 2.15 billion USD1. The market cap of fully diluted market cap is 100%. The number of holding addresses is 61.9k. The listed sexes are 42. The core algorithm is given. The market sentiment is negative. And contract address is given. Here you can see the introduction of USD1. USD1 is a fiat-backed digital asset designed to maintain one equivalence with the US dollar. Launched in April 2025 by Warden Liberty Finance, a financial technology firm headquartered in Miami, Florida. USD1 aims to streamline digital transaction by providing seamless fungibility between the fiat currency and the digital assets. The stable coin is issued and legally managed by BitGo Trust Company, a regulated trust entity based in South Dakota, ensuring full compliance with US regulatory standards. Here you can see that there are three links given. First is two links given. First is website link and second is the blockchain explorer link. And here you can see that the one social media is given Twitter. And let's go to the official website. Here you can see that this is official website of USD1. You can see that the dollar upgraded. The digital stable coins that are accepted both on chain and in the world get at USD1 now. It's still the US dollar, but for a new era. Stable and fully backed. USD1 is redeemable 1:1 for US dollars. USD1 is backed by dollars and US treasuries that have the full faith and credit of the US government. Multi-chain supported on multiple blockchain networks for easy adoption and integration. Built for businesses and developers. USD1 is broadly available to institutions, individuals, and DeFi participation. Widely available. USD1 setups on a chain in seconds, worldwide anytime, 24/7. Reduce cost. Make accessible global payments. Transparent results. Full transparency with monthly audited reports. Get USD1. Got USD1, let's get things moving. If you already hold USD1, take advantage of our native tools to bridge or swap your tokens. Bridge easily and securely transfer your USD1 tokens between the integrated networks and swap. Quickly convert other cryptocurrency for USD1 and back again. Solving real problems, one use case at a time. Cross-border payments move money faster and cheaper with nearly instant settlements in USD1. DeFi and capital markets leverage USD1 for lending, borrowing, and digital asset trading. Transparent, secure, stable. The USD1 is 100% backed by US cash and cash equivalents to help ensure stability and liquidity at all times. Monthly report. USD1 reserve reports are published for transparency purposes only and are published on a monthly basis. Born to multi-chain. USD1 is available on leading blockchain networks with more integration on the way. Your question and answer. What is USD1? USD1 is a stable coin redeemable on 1:1 basis for the US dollar. USD1 is 100% backed by a reserve containing short-term US government treasuries, US dollar deposits, and other cash equivalents, and all such reserve assets are held or maintained by Bitgo Trust Company. In South Dakota Chartered Trust Company and are by Bitco Technologies LLC, a federally registered money services businesses and state licensed money transmitter. Trust Bitgo, which contact together with Bitgo Trust and their other affiliates. Bitgo issues USD1 and World Liberty Financial Inc. and its affiliated entities on the World Liberty Financial USD1 brand and provide certain services. Bitgo processes all initial purchases and redemptions of USD1 and provides related technical infrastructure and services. How is USD1 fully backed? Backed to be 1:1. Every USD1 in circulation is backed 1:1 by asset held in reserve by Bitcoin, primarily in US government money make funds and other cash equivalents. For more information, please see the reserve reports. Can I convert my USD1 into fiat currency? Eligible customers of Bitcoin may redeem USD1 for an equivalent amount of USD directly from Bitcoin. Other holders of USD1 may be able to exchange USD1 via the various exchange platform and regulated custodians that have been agreed to support the exchange of USD1 for USD, subject to their terms and eligibility requirements. Where can I use USD1? We expect that USD1 will be usable across a wide range of platforms, exchange multiple chains, and accepted at a retail location. It will also be integrated into WL5 for the DeFi protocol, where subject to eligibility, holders may engage in a variety of activities with USD1, including lending and borrowing once operational. We are working to actively build out the ecosystem to make USD1 as widely accessible as possible. Are USD1 reserve examined? USD1's reserve will be periodically examined by an independent third-party firm to confirm that every issued and outstanding USD1 is backed by an equivalent amount of reserve assets. Here you can see that Bitcoin to USD1 trading pair link is given, Ethereum to USD1 trading pair link is given, Sol to USD1 trading pair link is given, and B to USD1 trading pair link is given, BNB to USD1 trading pair link is given, TRX to USD1 trading pair link is given, Doge to USD1 trading pair is given, Sui to USD1 trading pair is given, EGL1 to USD1 trading pair is given. You can see that trading starts July 22, 2025 at 6 a.m. UTC. Gate will continue to launch more high quality trading pairs. Please stay tuned for official announcement. Thank you for your support and trust in Gate. Gate team July 22, 2025. Gateway to crypto. Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 USDT in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit the Gate's official website. Download the Gate app on desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of results. Let's come to Candy Drop. Candy Drop complete task to claim airdrops. 100K total participant, 1.26 million total airdrops. How to earn? How to join? First of all, select the project. Select the project you are interested in and complete the interactive task to earn candies. Step 2. Complete the interactive task. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you can earn and the better your chances of getting airdrop rewards will be. The third step is wait for the airdrop. Check the reward distribution status and wait for the airdrop. Fact. What is Candy Drop? Candy Drop is an airdrop campaign launched by Gate. User can earn candies by completing tasks such as participating in trading, depositing, inviting friends, and more. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you earn, increasing your chances of winning airdrop rewards. How to earn candies? You can earn candies by completing designated tasks in Candy Drop. Task types include trading specific tokens, deposit, and more. Each completed task will grant you a certain amount of candies. How to verify the completion of event task? After completing a task, the platform will automatically verify it without requiring manual validation. You will see a prompt once the task is successfully completed. When will rewards be distributed? Rewards will be distributed to winners get accounts within 14 working days after the event ends and can be viewed in wallet billing details. User must complete identity verification before claiming rewards. Can the candies be accumulated for the next event? Candies are exclusive to each event and cannot be carried over to the next one. Here you can see that the all projects are given. The deposit are 2, trade are 7, and invite are 3. Here you can see that the USD1 is also given. You can see that USD1 is a fiat backed digital asset designed. Total airdrops are 70,000 USD1 and the total participant are 8,741. The airdrop type is a deposit or trade. They ends in 1 day 21 minute 42 seconds. 1 day 21 over 42 second and 41 second. You can if you want to stack the USD1 then click join now. In Web3 more come to the help center. In a help center then come to the launch. Here let's discuss about the gate launch pool. Gate launch pool pack. Here you can see that what is Gate Launchpool. Gate Launchpool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where a user can stake Gate token, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrops of hot and new coins. With low entry barriers and high APR, it's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Join now. How can I participate in Gate Launchpool? First, log into your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launchpool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stake your assets. Check the participation guide. Which coin can I stake in Gate Launchpool? The tokens eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of the Gate Launchpool to view more details. How many tokens will be rewarded? Our stacking reward is equal to individual latest 1 over well stacking amount divided by total pool stacking amount multiplied by our reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each over and take the average stacking amount as the valid stacking amount. How are rewards distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts. Hourly and token rewards are distributed to eligible users. Hourly earnings will be distributed into user support accounts. When will the stacked asset be redeemed? After the user redeems in advance or the stacking is completed, the stacked asset will be transferred to simple earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stacked asset will be redeemed into support assets. If the amount of redeemed asset is too small and does not meet the minimum claim of amounts, assets. If the amount of redeemed asset is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amounts of simple earn, the asset will be automatically transferred to support assets. If the simple earn does not support the claim of the redeem token, the asset will also be automatically transferred to support assets. Can I redeem a stacked asset at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each over and calculate the valid stacking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of occurred rewards. Please maintain stable stacking amount to ensure mining rewards. Can I add additional stacked assets? You can increase your stacked asset at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stacking rewards. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launchpool projects going on at the same time, you can stack in different pools to receive new token mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stacking pool needs to be stacked separately. If you only stack assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcements or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Will stacking asset in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No asset stacked in the gate launch will not be included in the asset holding calculations. The HD, for HDR airdrop. Launchpad and VIP privilege. What will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your stacked principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the owner after the end time. The interest distribution before the ending will not be affected. About annual percentage rate APR. When the reward coin is the stacked coin, the APR is equal to total reward released in the last hour divided by last hour total stacked multiplied by 365 by 24 by 100%. When the reward coin is not the stacked coin, APR is equal to total rewards released in the last hour multiplied by closing price of the reward coin of the last hour divided by last hour the total stacked multiplied by closing price of the stacked coin of the last hour multiplied by 365 by 24 by 100%. The APR is an estimate and for reference only. The actual annualized return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updated hourly. How to participate in Gate Launch Pool? GateLive is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack Gate token, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn our airdrops of hot and new coins. With a low entry barriers and a high API, it's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. How to join Gate Launchpool and stack to earn. Log into your Gate account and navigate to Launchpool. In app, go to Home and then to Launchpool. In website, click on and then go to Launchpool. Choose the stacking pool you want to join, click stack. Enter the stacking amount, click confirm and complete stacking. View rewards in a reward history after successful stacking. Please complete identity verification before participating in a launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assets. Stacked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stacked asset will be redeemed into support assets. There will multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour, and you can increase your stacking asset at any time. Please maintain stable stacking amounts to ensure mining rewards. Large pools, quick stacking, each potential new tokens. The total stacked are 376.2 million. The funds raised are 32.47 billion USDT. And the total participants are 5.94 million plus. The estimated total reward is 557k USDT. About Launchpool. Fact. What is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where user can stack their asset or provide liquidity to earn rewards in a new project token. The user can lock specified token in the Launchpool pool to receive corresponding project token rewards. Join Launchpool now. How can I participate in Launchpool? First, log into your Gate account and navigate to the Launchpool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. Which coins can I stack in Launchpool pool? The token eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Launchpool to view more details. How my token will be rewarded? Hourly stacking reward is equal to individual latest 1 over valid stacking amount divided by total pool stacking amount multiplied by hourly reward pool. The system will take snapshots of individual stacking amounts each hour and take the average as the valid stacking amount. How are rewards distributed? System will then take snapshot of individual stacking amounts and distribute token rewards to eligible users. Hourly earnings will be distributed into user support accounts. When will the stacked asset be redeemed? After the user redeemed in advance or the stacking is completed, the stacked asset will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stacked asset will be redeemed into support assets. If the amount of redeemed asset is too small and does not meet the minimum subscription amount of Simple Earn, the asset will be automatically transferred to support asset. If Simple Earn does not support the subscription of the redeem token, the asset will also be automatically transferred to support assets. Can the redeem a stacked asset at any time? The system will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stacking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of occurred rewards. Please maintain stable stacking amounts to ensure mining rewards. Can I add additional stacked assets? You can increase your stacked asset at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stacking amounts. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launchpool projects going at the same time, you can stack in different pools to receive new token mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stacking pool needs to be stacked separately. If you only stack asset in pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards. What is the maximum mining reward I can achieve? The overall reward hard cap per user to each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcements or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Will stacking asset in the launch pool impact my VIP level? No asset in the stacked gate launch pool will be included in the asset holding calculation for HDLR airdrop, launchpad, and VIP privileges. And here you can see the video tutorial how to generate launch pool and stack to on get start tutorial. Here you have seen the tutorial of launch pool. HDLR airdrop. HDLR airdrop fact. What is the HODLR airdrop? HODLR airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for Gate token holders. Users only need to hold a certain amount of Gate token to share airdrop tokens based on their holding proportion. What are the requirements to participate in the HODLR airdrop? Participants must complete identity verification and hold at least one Gate token. What is the Gate token holding participation limit? The Gate token holding participation limit may vary for each project. The specific limit will be clearly stated in each project's airdrop announcement. How are airdrop tokens distributed? Once you participate in the event, the system will begin tracking your Gate token holding from the start of the project. It will take multiple random snapshots every hour and calculate the hourly average. Your final reward depends on your average holding throughout the entire event. If your average holding are below one Gate token, you will not be eligible for any rewards. The number of tokens a user ultimately receives is equal to user's average hourly holding during the event divided by all participant total average hourly holding during the event multiplied by total airdrop amount. Can I participate in multiple HDLR airdrops? Yes, as long as you hold enough Gate token at each project snapshot time and meet the participation requirements, you can participate in multiple HDLR airdrops. Will I definitely receive tokens if I participate? User holding at least one Gate token can 100% receive the airdrop provided they maintain at least one Gate token at the snapshot time. How can I check my airdrop tokens? Rewards will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check them anytime under the HDLR airdrop history. What should I do if I have not received my airdrop tokens? If you don't receive airdrop token, please first check if you meet the participation criteria and confirm your Gate token holding at the snapshot time. If the issue persists, please contact customer support. How to participate in a Gate HDLR airdrop? Actually, airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for user holding Gate token. User only need to hold no less than one Gate token to claim free airdrops. The more Gate token holding, the more airdrop rewards. How to join Gate actually airdrop and claim free airdrops? Log in to your Gate account and navigate to HDLR airdrop in app, click on and then go to HDLR airdrop. In website, click on and then go to HDLR airdrop. Select the in progress project and click participant no to participate. Participation results can be viewed in the airdrop rewards or the project claim page. HDLR airdrop, hold Gate token and get massive airdrops for free. The cumulative airdrops are 127.9 million. The total airdrops are 70k USDT and total participants are 11.69 million plus. Quick claim. Insufficient Gate token holding amount must be greater than one Gate token. Holding one Gate token is enough to participate in the airdrop event. The more Gate token you hold, the more airdrop rewards you can receive. Buy Gate token, go to support trading and increase the Gate token assets. Use the convert features to quickly convert other coins into Gate token assets. Here you can see that the total pools are 275, in progress are 2, upcoming are 0, and ended are 273. Back. How to participate in the HDLR airdrop? As long as you are given a Gate token holding in Gate account is no less than one Gate token, you can receive, you can participate and receive airdrops without locking or stacking Gate token. Which accounts the Gate token holding will be included in the calculation? Total Gate token holding in the unified account, a spot account, isolated margin account, copy trading account, boards account, financial account, and payment account. However, Gate token in crypto alone and Gate token 2 are excluded. How is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will track your Gate token holding, taking multiple random snapshot every hour to calculate your average hourly holdings. Your final reward is based on your average holding during the entire project period. If your average holding are below one Gate token, you will not receive any reward. Final token received is equal to your average hourly holdings divided by all participant average hourly holdings multiplied by total airdrop amount. What is per Gate token? Per Gate token is an estimated value indicating the number of airdrop token you could receive by participating in the HDLR airdrop project with one Gate token and holding it until the end of the project. Please note that per Gate token will change based on the total airdrop amount and Gate token holding of all participants and is updated hourly. Why are my holdings counted differently across projects? The system uses random snapshot to calculate your average hourly holdings. Depending on when you join each project, the calculated average holdings may vary. In theory, if your holding amounts remains constant, your average hourly holdings should be the same across all projects you participate in. What is individual participation cap? The different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the details page or the event announcement for more information. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? You can participate in multiple projects. How will the airdrop rewards to be distributed? The airdrop will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check it anytime in Launchpool in HDLR airdrop in participation history. Gate Launchpad. Fact. What is Gate Launchpad? Gate Launchpad pad is Gate's an innovative token launch platform that lets you get early access to high potential crypto projects through a paid subscription model, giving you a head start before the market catches on. Join now. How do I participate in Gate Launchpad? Log into your Gate account, head to the Launchpad page, select a project and click. What token can I use to subscribe? Most projects accept Gate token or USDT. Check the project details for specifics. Will my funds be locked after subscribing? Yes, if your subscription is successful, the corresponding amount will be deducted from your account within 4 hours after the subscription period ends. Any unsubscribed portion will also be unlocked and refunded to your support account within 4 hours after the subscription period ends. How are tokens allocated? After the subscription ends, the tokens are distributed based on your contribution as a percentage of the total funds raised. Your subscription amount is deducted accordingly, and tokens are credited to your support account. How many tokens will I get? The number of tokens you get will be calculated and allocated based on the proportion of your average overall contribution during the subscription period relative to the overall project's total committed amount. Example, a Launchpad project is offering a total of 1,000 tokens over a 4-hour subscription period with a maximum of 20 tokens per user. The project's average total committed funds over the 4 hours is 100 plus 200 plus 300 plus 400 divided by 4 is equal to 250 USDT. User A subscribed 10 USDT in the first hour. So his hourly average contribution is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 overall divided by 4 is equal to 10 USDT. His token allocation 10 by 20 to 250 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 40 tokens. However, since the maximum per user a 20 tokens, user A will receive 20 tokens. User 8 subscribe 8 USDT in the third hour, then 2 USDT in the fourth hour. So his hourly average contribution is 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 4 per 5 USDT. His token allocation is 4.5 divided by 250 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 18 tokens. Since user A has exceeded the cap for the token allocation, the excess 20 km tokens will be reallocated to other users who have not reached the cap. Is there a cap on how many tokens I can receive? Some projects may have a maximum allocation limit. Check the specific project details for more information. How much of my logged funds will be deducted if I successfully subscribe? The token price is equal to fundraising target divided by total number of tokens issued. The deducted amount is equal to number of tokens received multiplied by token price. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? Yes, as long as you meet the subscription requirements, you can subscribe to multiple projects. Why didn't I receive any tokens after a successful subscription? If your token allocation calculated according to the distribution rules is less than 0.000000001 decimal places, it will be considered an unsuccessful subscription. In that case, all your committed funds will be unlocked and refunded to your support account after subscription ends. What is Gate Launchpad? Gate Launchpad is a Gate's innovative token launch platform that lets you get early access to high potential crypto projects through a paid subscription model, giving you a head start before the market catches on. Gate Launchpad is committed to providing security for both users and project teams by implementing strict risk control mechanism that effectively reduce potential risk during the token open process. Additionally, Gate Launchpad helps for the project team expand into global markets, reach millions of users, and ensure sufficient market liquidity and market currency trading peer support loan. On launch, offering the solid backtracking for space for project and growth. In addition to token open gate token launch, Launchpad offer the project access support resources, including gates listing channel investment evolution, brand exposure, and global operational resources that only those with real growth potential and long-term value are recommended. Building a user trust and enhancing market impact. Gate Launchpad adopts a subscription based model where you can track USD1 USD Gate token or USD1 to subscribe during the designated period. How to participate in Gate Launchpool? Log in to Gate and visit the Launchpad page app to in app tap on and then go to Launchpad. In website go to launch and then to Launchpad. Choose the project you are interested in and click commit now. Enter the amount you want to contribute and confirm your subscription. View your subscription history under subscription history website. Launchpad. Be early to the next big token project. The total amount is 1.4 billion USDT. The total participants are 56.37K. The total projects are 3. Join Launchpad. Gate Launchpad is a globally leading project launch platform. You know to give your project more exposure and growth opportunities. Gate Launchpad guide. What is Gate Launchpad? Gate Launchpad is a Gates innovative token launch platform that you lets you early access to high potential crypto projects through peer subscription model, giving you a head start before more than the token catches on. How do I participate in a Gate Launchpad? Log into your Gate account, head to the Launchpad page, select a project and click commit now. What token can I use to subscribe? Launchpad subscription tokens are usually USDT, Gate token or other. Please check the project details for specific. The final subscription token will shall be based on the actual project, not beyond not borrowed funds are not eligible for participation in Launchpad projects. Will my funds be locked after subscribing? Yes, if your subscription is successful, the corresponding amount will be deducted from your account after a subscription period ends. Any unsubscribed portion will also be unlocked or the how are tokens allocated? After a subscription and tokens are distributed based on your contribution as a percentage of the total funds raised. Your subscription amount is deducted accordingly and tokens are credited to your support accounts. How many tokens will I get? The number of tokens you get will be calculated and accumulated based on the proportion of your average over the contribution during the subscription period. How many tokens will I get? The number of tokens you get will be calculated and allocated based on the proportion of your average over the contribution during the subscription period relative to the overall project's total committed amount. Go to simple on. Principal protected flexible term compound interest 2.42 billion total lending and USDT 15.64% and APR. 0 to 500 USDT can receive bonus for fully verified user only data is updated every 5 minutes as next APR for USDT. Bonus if you receive equivalent bonus in Gate token 6% bonus 9.64%. About simple on. Through Get Simple on, you can profit from more than 800 cryptocurrencies and unleash the potential of your investment portfolios. Specifically, you can subscribe to flexible terms or fixed term products to earn returns with crypto assets. Instant easy subscription. You can use your idle cryptocurrency to subscribe to flexible term products, which can be redeemed anytime. You are to earn daily rewards or subscribe to flexible term products for higher and more stable returns. Auto earn. Either cryptocurrencies in your support account or unified account will be used to auto subscribe to simple and flexible term products for flexible returns at 230 UTC and 1530 UTC every day. Product risk. The price of cryptocurrencies fluctuates, therefore the value of your investment may go up or down. You are solely responsible for your investment decisions. Gate is not liable for any losses you may suffer. APR indicates the potential return on your crypto investment in the denomination of the Gate cryptocurrency you invested. It is adjusted once and over so you may receive returns not as expected. None of the above shall be construed as a financial advice. For more information, please refer to our terms of use and risk disclosure. Redemption risks. Too many redemption requests for a particular coin may result in a temporary shortage of the available redemption balance, which in turn leads to a delay in redemption, but please rest assured. Proof of reserves. Gate is the first mainstream platform committing to providing 100% capital reserves. What is 100% proof of reserves? A centralized trading trading platform manages a ledger fund recording user asset in a database. As such a platform fund face the challenge of providing that they have full custody of all user assets in good condition. Gate implemented the Merkle tree to resolve this issue by storing the hash value of each user account asset in the leaf nodes of the Merkle tree. Every user can edit the total amounts of user assets stored in the leaf nodes of the Merkle tree and verify whether his funds are included through a qualified third-party audit agency. If the assets stored in the Merkle tree are verified to be greater than or equal to 100%, it means the user assets are kept in full on the platform, i.e. the platform provides 100% proof of results for the user assets. How to profit from simple on create a lending offer, initiate the process to lend out your idle funds. Successful matching. Success system matches your lending offer with borrowing needs in the market. Compound interest and compound interest after your assets are borrowed successfully. Fact. What is simple on? Through Get Simple on, you can profit from more than 800 cryptocurrencies and unleash the potential of your investment portfolios. Specifically, you can subscribe to flexible term or fixed term products to earn returns within crypto assets. How is the interest of simple and flexible term calculated and distributed? Your subscription to Get Simple and Flexible Term will work as working to capital for loan business on the platform. The system will lend you funds to other users, and the interest generated will be distributed to you as the annualized return of your subscription. If your assets are borrowed at T o'clock, you will receive the interest earned during the following hour at T plus 1. However, if you are redeem your assets are asset below before T plus 1, you will not receive an interest for the past one. Interest received every hour will be invested automatically to earn compound interest. You can redeem both the principal and interest at redemption. The current estimated APR is the lowest APR at which simple on funds can be successfully matched for lending and earning returns. It's calculated based on historical data and current market volume demands. How is the interest of simple on fixed term calculated and distributed? After successful subscription, interest will be calculated at the APR at the time of subscription throughout the term and start to accrue at 00 UTC the next day. Both the interest and the principal will be created to your support account or unified account after the order reaches maturity. How to read them? Simple and flexible term allows for real-time redemption. However, if we are processing too many redemption requests, there may be a delay in assets arrival. Please wait patiently after submitting the request, and interest will keep accruing during the waiting period. Simple and fixed term allows for flexible redemption before the order reaches maturity. However, early redemption will result in the loss of all accrued interest. The principal will be returned to your support account, a unified account upon submitting the redemption request. Guide to simple on. This course will help you master the basics of Get Simple on, including its features and profit model. After learning this course, you will be able to set the parameters of simple on rations according to your own needs and market expectations, grow your crypto asset, and maximize capital efficiency. Fact about referral. Alpha trading debate explanation. What funds are available for alpha trading? Transaction can only be conducted using USDT. Other methods such as trial funds, trial vouchers, and point cards cannot be used. DC rebates are settled only in USDT. What is the rebate path for alpha trading? Rebates from self to support account, agent rebates to self pick up account. How to display original new area data and how to display subsequent alpha data. The original new area data has been merged into the alpha data, and the agent backend has added a alpha rebate or trading field original new area version. Is the background data of the reference not updated? Updated once every hour. What is the difference between indirect referral, and junior referral? Direct referral. The user who has a referral relationship with you and is not currently an affiliate. Ultra indirect referral. The user who was invited to your junior client has no direct referral relationship with you and is not currently an affiliate. Ultra junior affiliate. Ultra the user who is your direct junior affiliate. Ultra why I not yet received the withdrawal commission? If the commission status is waiting, the commission will be credited to your account is about 10 minutes. If the commission status is under review, the risk control mechanism may be triggered and you can contact your BT for support. User reported that the invited users were not displayed on in your background. Agents need to check if the invited user clicked on your invitation link and if the registered UID shown above is correct. Some user made a deposit, but the agent reported that it is not displayed. There are two methods of deposit that can be counted on chain deposit and gate card. Why does the user fail to be added as an affiliate ultra? Reasons for failure include but are not limited to the following. The referral is limited in your region, and adding a user as an affiliate ultra is not supported. The user you are adding is already another other user just client. Your account security is at risk. Your account has been completed the KYC verification. The user you are adding in the user assessment is the unbound due to falling up falling to pass the assessment. Your rebate rates have been adjusted on the rates you set for the user are greater than the rebate assets you have. The current user is under review. The user information provided is incorrect. Your referral level position are already filled. Referral earn vouchers. Invite to earn 20 USDT in super commission. Earn up to 40% commission on every trade. Get to earn explore more and unlock up to 500 USD 500 USD reward. Invite friends and earn up to 40% commission each together as your friends trade rules. Invite friends to sign up and get using your referral code or link. When a reference conducts a support alpha futures or margin trade, a certain percentage of the trading fee generated will become a commission reward, and the commission period term lasts for 1 year. Valid invitation from community and sharing will also be on your commission. Referral data will be updated within 24 hours after the subscription ends. Each user can only sign up through one invitation method. Invites via super commission and are not eligible or reward with reward, for rewards from other events. The referral program is not affiliated to user from Belgium, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, the Netherlands, the Turkey, the Austria, and the South Africa. The gate reserves the final right to interpret their rules. Invite friends. Commission. In support 30% your share, 10% friends you invited share. In alpha 30% your share, 10% seed from your share. Future the 20% you share, 0% friends are invited share. Here you can see that I have earned about 0.04 USDT. The commission reward, the total trading volume is 460.61 USDT. Here you can see that the commission history is given. Here you can see that this is my commission history. You can see and check that my commission history. Referral activity. Get referral upgrade, get family parts reward. Alpha 40% referral repair kept in keep it going. VIP referral program upgraded. No, I am going to stop my live stream. Good luck. We'll meet you soon.